Cardano remains one of the most discussed blockchain projects in the crypto ecosystem, often positioned as a third-generation blockchain designed to solve the limitations of early networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum. To understand whether Cardano is still worth investing in, it is necessary to explore its technology, mission, development approach, staking model, research-driven philosophy, smart contract capabilities, and long-term roadmap. Cardano was designed from the ground up to provide a secure, scalable, and sustainable blockchain infrastructure capable of supporting real-world applications while ensuring decentralization and formal verification. Cardano was founded by Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, who envisioned a blockchain built through peer-reviewed research and academic rigor. This method distinguishes Cardano from many other blockchains that follow a move fast and break things strategy. Cardano's developers use a scientific approach supported by formal methods, mathematical proofs, and academic partnerships. The project's development is structured into several eras: Byron, Shelley, Gauguin, Bashar, and Voltaire. Each era focuses on solving a critical aspect of blockchain design, including decentralization, scalability, smart contracts, interoperability, and governance. The foundation of Cardano's design is the Ouroboros consensus algorithm. Ouroboros is a proof-of-stake mechanism that prioritizes security, decentralization, and energy efficiency. Unlike proof-of-work networks that require significant computational power, Cardano allows users to participate in securing the network by delegating their ADA to staking pools. Ouroboros divides time into epochs and slots, enabling predictable block production and reducing energy waste. It is one of the most academically reviewed consensus protocols and serves as the backbone of Cardano's sustainability mission. Cardano's staking model is one of its strongest features. Investors can hold ADA and earn passive income through staking rewards. Unlike many staking systems that lock up user assets, Cardano uses a non-custodial staking model. Investors maintain ownership of their ADA at all times, can unstake whenever they want, and still earn rewards. This makes Cardano one of the most user-friendly staking ecosystems in the blockchain industry. Staking pools compete to attract delegators by offering competitive performance, transparency, and consistent rewards. A major advancement in Cardano's growth came with the Gauguin era, which introduced smart contract functionality through the Plutus scripting language. Plutus is based on Haskell, a functional programming language that emphasizes safety and formal verification. Through Plutus, developers can write decentralized applications that are mathematically provable and highly secure. While this makes Cardano programming more complex, it also increases robustness, reducing certain classes of security vulnerabilities that are common on other networks. Despite its strengths, Cardano has faced criticism for the slow rollout of smart contract capabilities, delayed feature shipping, and fewer dApps compared to other ecosystems like Ethereum and Solana. Part of this challenge arises from the project's research-first approach, which often prioritizes precision over speed. However, Cardano's measured development strategy aims to reduce the risk of bugs, exploits, and network failures over the long term. Cardano's ecosystem continues to expand steadily. The network now supports decentralized exchanges, NFT platforms, stablecoin protocols, identity solutions, and cross-chain bridges. Projects like MinSwap, SundaSwap, Indigo, WorldMobile, Vifinance, and IOG's identity solutions demonstrate the growing adoption across DeFi, governance, and digital identity sectors. Although Cardano's DeFi ecosystem is smaller compared to Ethereum or Solana, its growth trajectory remains consistent. One of Cardano's core goals is global impact. The blockchain emphasizes real-world applications focused on emerging economies. Cardano has worked with African governments, universities, and institutions to integrate blockchain solutions for identity, supply chain, land registration, telecommunications, and education. This aligns with the mission to transform how developing nations interact with financial systems and digital infrastructure. Cardano's commitment to creating decentralized, accessible, and corruption-resistant solutions positions it uniquely within the broader crypto landscape. Cardano's long-term roadmap includes enhancing scalability through Hydra, a layer-to-scaling solution designed to support microtransactions, instant settlement, and high throughput. Hydra operates through a series of isomorphic state channels that increase network capacity by enabling parallel transaction processing. This technology aims to help Cardano support thousands of transactions per second while maintaining security and decentralization. If successful, Hydra could significantly elevate Cardano's position as a scalable blockchain suitable for enterprise and global applications. Interoperability also plays a major role in Cardano's roadmap. The blockchain aims to connect with multiple networks, allowing users to move assets seamlessly between ecosystems. With bridges, wrapped tokens, and multi-chain communication protocols, Cardano seeks to become part of a larger interconnected Web3 environment. This aligns with the industry's shift toward cross-chain solutions and multi-chain development. Cardano's governance model introduces another area of innovation. The Voltaire era focuses on decentralized decision-making, allowing ADA holders to vote on network upgrades, treasury allocation, and funding proposals. This empowers the community to shape the network's evolution and ensures long-term sustainability. Self-sustaining governance is essential for blockchain longevity, and Cardano aims to build a governance framework that evolves without relying on centralized organizations. Cardano's tokenomics center around ADA, the native cryptocurrency used for transactions, staking, governance, and decentralized applications. ADA's fixed supply of 45 billion coins provides scarcity, similar to Bitcoin's capped supply mechanism. Combined with staking rewards and network fees, ADA's tokenomics aim to support long-term sustainability and reward early adopters. Investors evaluating whether Cardano is worth investing in must consider market performance, adoption trends, technological developments, and competitive pressures. During bull markets, ADA tends to attract significant investor interest due to its strong community and reputation for academic rigor. However, its price performance is often slower compared to faster-growing ecosystems like Solana or high-risk meme coin segments. Cardano's investment appeal lies in its long-term mission, consistent development, energy-efficient staking model, and global utility. Competition within the blockchain ecosystem continues to intensify. Ethereum remains the dominant platform for smart contracts and DeFi, while Solana competes in high-speed performance applications. Avalanche, Polkadot, Cosmos, and newer networks continue to innovate. Cardano must continue delivering on its roadmap, scaling solutions, and infrastructure improvements to remain competitive. Its slow but steady development model might appeal to investors seeking long-term stability over rapid experimentation. Cardano has one of the strongest communities in crypto, with millions of ADA holders worldwide. Community-driven development, educational resources, staking pools, and governance participation all play significant roles in the network's resilience. Its ecosystem may not be the fastest-growing, but its foundational principles attract serious investors, developers, and institutions seeking long-term blockchain solutions. From a technology perspective, Cardano differentiates itself through formal verification, academic research, staking efficiency, and environmental sustainability. From an investment perspective, Cardano represents a long-term bet on a scientifically grounded blockchain ecosystem that prioritizes security and global utility. Its real-world use cases, particularly in emerging markets, create the potential for meaningful adoption outside the typical crypto audience. Whether Cardano is still worth investing in depends on an investor's risk tolerance, belief in long-term development, trust in research-driven innovation, and expectations of real-world adoption. Cardano may not deliver explosive short-term price spikes as often as other blockchains, but its fundamentals continue to strengthen. For investors prioritizing long-term sustainability, energy efficiency, decentralized governance, and a research-based approach to blockchain development, Cardano remains a compelling ecosystem. If you found this breakdown valuable and want more long-form educational crypto videos like this one, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications so you never miss any high-level crypto knowledge. Your support helps me keep creating deep, research-driven content for the entire community.